Today I'm going to show you how to restart your computer using PowerShell. There's two different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you the first way, and then after my computer restarts, I'll show you the second way. The first thing you're going to do is type in PowerShell, and then click Open. Now type shutdown, SHUTDOWN, space dash R. Now press Enter. You're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. Click Close. It says shut down, but it's actually going to restart. It says restarting. So that was one way to restart your computer using PowerShell. Now I'm going to show you guys the second way. So you're going to open PowerShell. Now type shutdown, SHUTDOWN, space /R. Now press Enter. You're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in less than a minute. Click Close and wait for your computer to restart. So that was how you restart your computer using PowerShell.